What is your fondest memory?
One is first season in MCA with under 16 boys. We ended up winning Vijay Merchant Trophy. Second fondest memory, it is one of my favorite memory of my SNC career, I would say. For me to get an opportunity to go to Syed Mustaq Ali Trophy with the senior team while I just spent 2 months into the system, that I used as a motivation. That really motivated me to push myself really well. I got a call from a very good colleague, Yuvraj Salvi, like everyone knows him. He said there is a cricketer and I want you to work with him. And that cricketer was Shashank Singh. His explanation was, Gaurang, he is going through hamstring injuries for last 2 years. He wants to improve running. Hamstring का कैसा हुआ है कि once you have it, the chances of getting injured are much higher. Concept behind the pool. So when you're, into the water, waist height, so the blood will flow from high pressure to low pressure. So it helps you to flush out the fatigue, flush out the toxins.
This video is brought to you by Hell Energy, the bold, high-performance energy drink that fuels your hustle. Whether you're grinding at work, hitting the gym, or chasing your passion, Hell Energy keeps you going. Also, we would like to announce that Shreyas Iyer is the new brand partner of Hell Energy. So unleash the energy, unleash the hell. Now let's dive into the show. Thank you so much, Mr. Gaurang, for coming here. First of all, कैसे हो?
एकदम बढ़िया.
हाँ.
All good. So I was actually discussing with Yuvraj from a long time that would love to come on Cricket Graph and share my journey with everyone because I've gone through lots of ups and downs. So would love to share my story today here.
Correct. And you also interviewed him just a week ago. So how was that experience?
I think that was like a perfect warm up for me, I would say.
Yeah.
Talking directly.
To be on this seat.
Exactly. Yeah. That was like a warm up for me, speaking from SNC perspective.
Yeah.
So I think I'm ready today.
Since we are a cricket page, would just like to know कि cricket से शुरुआत कैसे हुआ? Like आपका earliest memory of this sport, if you can just share.
If I think about cricket and अगर memory बोलने जाऊँ तो मुझे याद आता है कि यार सोसाइटी में संडे 9:30 बजे सुबह उठ के खेलने जाओ सब लोग. मेरा एक दोस्त बैट लेके नीचे आ रहा है.
हाँ.
नीचे आओ खेलने 3 घंटा धूप में बैठ के खेल रहे हैं. कुछ नहीं, कुछ परवाह नहीं. Enjoying life, that is it. And then the next biggest memory that I have of cricket is 2011 World Cup.
हाँ.
I remember in our society we had a big screening arrange किया हुआ था. Semis को भी, finals को भी, and after we had won that final, I remember roaming the streets, enjoying that moment. That has lived with me forever.
It's etched in all our
It is absolutely
memories. And when you think of SNC coach and then when you see cricket, how did those two things just come about?
So coming from a sporting background, one thing was very clear. Cricket in this country is far ahead as compared to other sports. And the goal was clear. जब SNC चालू किया था, the goal तो सबका यही होता है कि try to be the best at what you do. So for me it was a assumption, it was a thinking that कि अगर कुछ अच्छा करना है तो it has to be in cricket. Cricket being the best sport, it is, you get all the resources, you have all the great facilities. So if you want to do great work, try to make it in cricket.
Like it has to be related to cricket.
It has to be related to cricket. So if you want to make it big, you have to win cricket. Yes. So that was the main reason behind getting into cricket.
Correct. And फिर वहाँ से मतलब you just went on to become an SNC coach for something like MCA, Mumbai Cricket Association. It's a big thing. Like can you just take us through the entire journey? कि वो कैसे हुआ? How did your first day, like how was your first day, and then just sum up the entire journey.
First day at MCA, I remember we had a staff meeting. So I call myself very fortunate. I had the best staff, I would say. It was Sandesh Kavle sir, who was the head coach. Kaustubh Pawar, who has played cricket at a very high level. He was our assistant coach.
Correct.
And the physio that I worked with, Puneet Dave, he has been really great with me for last 2 years. We really have a good rapport. We work well together. So overall, a very good team. And another thing is, obviously, it was my first season in cricket. Like the person that Sandesh sir is very genuine, was very helpful in the beginning. And on top of that, Kaustubh Pawar's cricketing knowledge and his understanding of the sport really helped me to settle into the system. One thing is knowing your SNC theory, SNC principles, SNC training.
Correct.
Another thing is going and adjusting into a new system. Because MCA is something which has been there for last 100 years.
Yeah.
Almost 100 years.
Yeah.
MC has been doing well. एसेंसीज आने के पहले से भी अच्छे से कर ही रहे थे. बिना एसेंसीज बिना फिजियोस भी चल ही रहा था. सो मोर देन अस गोइंग देयर एंड ट्राइंग टू प्रीच, लाइक यू नीड टू गो एंड अडेप्ट टू द सिस्टम फर्स्ट. सो विच इज वॉट वॉज हेल्पफुल, स्पेंडिंग टाइम विद कौस्तुभ, स्पेंडिंग टाइम विद संदेश सर. सो दैट वॉज रियली हेल्पफुल फॉर मी.
What is your fondest memory from
MCA?
MCA?
So, two fondest memory I would say. One is first season in MCA with under 16 boys. We ended up winning Vijay Merchant Trophy.
Correct.
So that has to be there. And then second fondest memory, it is one of my favorite memory of my SNC career, I would say. So 2 months into the MCA stint in my first year. So I was asked to cover for the senior team SNC, which was a very big deal for someone coming. Like
no experience. You had no
experience in cricket. This was my first time working in cricket. Honestly, I was not even aware about the positions. कौन सा fielder कहाँ पे रहता. I was learning that while I was spending time in the academy.
Got it.
So for me to get an opportunity to go to Syed Mushtaq Ali Trophy with the senior team, while I just spent 2 months into the system, that I used as a motivation. That really motivated me to push myself really well.
Take your A game, bring your A game.
Bring my A game. Like I understood that, if you are working hard, if you're putting in the work, you would be appreciated. People will have an eye. So that was a really great experience and lots of things to learn, because at the senior level it is very little about how you know, it is more about how you explain to the players. Because everyone has gone through 10 different coaches
and 10 different opinions.
तुम अलग क्या बता रहे हो जाके. You have to meet somewhere in the middle. So it is more about man management at the top level. So it was a very new experience for me. I still think it was very difficult for me because अभी क्रिकेट से कभी
ज़्यादा ये रिलेशन,
क्रिकेट से कुछ रिलेशन था नहीं. I don't know how. जैसे मैंने बताया कि adapting to the system is very important.
Correct.
अब क्रिकेट हमने देखा है, बस बाहर से मैचेस देखे हैं. अब वार्म अप का जो सिस्टम्स होता है, पहले आके मोबिलिटी करते हैं, फिर एक टीम मीटिंग होता है, फिर एक टीम वार्म अप होगा. हाउ लाइक स्मॉल थिंग्स.
It's all structured and
exactly, it is structured and it has been in process for a very long time. तो वो मुझे जाके करने मिला था सीधा सीनियर टीम में जाके, which was very intimidating for me because when you look at Mumbai senior team, all stars, all India players, and this Mushtaq Ali, T20 मतलब यार आधे 6-7 जन तो इंडिया प्लेयर्स है.
Correct.
So imagine you put a person who is doing first year in cricket with under 16 और पहला मैच एक्सपीरियंस तुम्हें मिल रहा है सीनियर टीम के साथ.
नर्व्स तो रहेंगे तभी वो टाइम पे
काफ़ी ज़्यादा. बट आई रिमेंबर इन आवर फर्स्ट वार्म अप मैच था एक. वार्म अप चालू था. आई वॉज डेफिनेटली नर्वस. द फिजियो ओवर देयर वॉज ऑल्सो हेल्पिंग मी. ही हैज़ हेल्प मी टू गो थ्रू certain routines which some players are used to.
Correct.
Because which I feel is very important. Understanding what player
do which routines
does and what और कितना. एक player हो सकता है जिसको 10 मिनट जॉब का ज़रूरत है वार्म अप में, और दूसरा प्लेयर हो सकता है वो बस 2 मिनट कर रहा है. You as a SNC coach, you can't force them because these are players at the top who have reached there by
Yeah.
doing what they know works best for them. So you have to meet somewhere in the middle.
And every body is also different.
Every
Like it's not
body is
necessarily कि
different,
ये
exactly.
इस पे ही चलेगा और
You can't say कि अरे बुक में तो 5 मिनट लिखा है था मैं 5 मिनट नहीं भाई मतलब
yeah,
ऐसे नहीं चलता.
absolutely.
So I remember that first warm up, I was very nervous. And whenever you are nervous, you tend to rush into things. I clearly remember Dhavalda saying, Gaurang, like shouting, like the warm up is going on, और फिर वहाँ से वो बोल रहे गौरांग, don't worry, सब लोग सुनेंगे तेरा, आराम से करा.
हाँ.
So that kind of gave me that, oh, like the senior, like he
Make
was-
you comfortable in your.
it made me comfortable,
Uh-huh.
and he being one of the most senior player out
Yeah,
there,
yeah.
so it was very good to hear that comforting thing in that situation. So that helped me to calm my nerves. Day 1 was like that. Day 2 got better, got a better feedback from the coach कि ठीक है this was better than day 1. So and that is how you build your work, right? You
Correct,
can't be
correct.
great on day 1 only.
Day one only. Yeah. It's
It's an ongoing process. It's
Yeah,
an ongoing process. So that opportunity to work with the senior team as a first year SNC coach in cricket has to be my fondest memory.
Yeah, and there are some players themselves who come to approach you and saying कि अरे ये ऐसा हो रहा है या वो ऐसा हो रहा है तो ये करना चाहिए वो करना चाहिए. Do you find this a very good thing in a particular cricketer कि it's a good thing that they are themselves coming up and approaching you कि ऐसा कर सकते हैं to fix something, some kind of an potential issue maybe or something like that. So है कोई ऐसे नाम जो आप शेयर करना चाहोगे who are very inquisitive about their and fitness routines and physical.
I think what I've experienced in my stint from MCA is all the top players are very inquisitive about their body.
Not even a single one is like कि नहीं जो आप बोल रहे हो ठीक है. They are all wanting to learn.
So as I said कि उनको पता है कि क्या है क्या नहीं. They will come and ask you why. One thing is making a plan and making them do it. But these are the people who will try to understand कि ये करके क्या
हो रहा है हाँ.
And that is how you get better results. अगर तुम्हें पता है कि I am this exercise, this particular training program जो आज का हम जो करा रहे हैं इसका training objective this is this thing ये आज का objective है. And that player knows कि ये objective है so they will also put their mind to it. There is this thing called, so when you're training, when you're lifting weights, there is a thing called mind-muscle connection. Correct?
Okay, हाँ.
So let's say a very simple example. When you're doing a bench press, people keep thinking कि mind-muscle connection रखो. इसका मतलब क्या है? Think that you're using your chest muscles so that you get better outcome out of that exercise. And this mind-muscle connection is a real thing. There is evidence on it.
Okay.
It gives you better result when you're thinking to use that muscle, thinking to use that, engage that muscle. And there is good evidence to it that it gives you better gains. So same way.
So concentration on that particular muscle.
Exactly. So same way. So that is why all the top players are very inquisitive. They will come and ask you कि इससे क्या हो रहा है मुझे ये बताना है. How is it going to help me? Two things.
Correct.
One, it keeps you on your toes. You can't fool anyone at the top. As simple as that.
Yeah.
You can't fool anyone at the top.
Correct.
Second, it makes you a better SNC coach because everything that you put, every exercise that you put in your plan, there has to be a certain answer to it. अब तुम्हें 8 एक्सरसाइजेस कराने एक दिन में, तुमने 6 तो करा दिया, 2 तो ज़बरदस्ती तो तुम डाल नहीं सकते कि बस कराना था 60 मिनट का वर्कआउट इसलिए 2 अरे हाँ चलो ये कर देते हैं. कुछ तो रैशनल चाहिए, कुछ तो लॉजिक चाहिए कि ये एक्सरसाइज क्यों करा रहे हैं ये प्लेयर को, कुछ तो एंड गोल चाहिए. And this is where that player inquisitiveness helps us to be on our toes.
Yeah, but if I would like to ask you कि कोई एक ऐसा particular player है जो बहुत ही inquisitive है from the Mumbai team, who would you mention?
So honestly, senior team, I had a very small stint because I had gone there as a cover for someone else. So talking from the younger groups, I remember the likes of Abhigyan Kundu, जिसके बाद मैंने अभी who recently played under 19 India World Cup.
Yeah.
He keeps asking and lot of time what I've seen is मेरा sprinting का background है.
Correct.
सो लॉट ऑफ पीपल कम एंड आस्क मी अबाउट स्प्रिंटिंग. सो ये मैंने देखा है कि ये लाइक टच वुड फॉर्चुनेटली ये तो सीनियर प्लेयर्स भी आके पूछते हैं कि व्हाट कैन बी डन, कि बेटर क्या कर सकते हैं रनिंग के लिए, क्योंकि वो मेरा बैकग्राउंड रहा है. सो दैट इज वेयर आई कम इन एज एन एक्सपर्ट.
या करेक्ट.
सो एट द टॉप जैसे मैंने बताया, प्लेयर नोज व्हाट दे आर गुड एट, व्हाट दे नीड टू डू, वो उनको काफ़ी क्लियरली पता है. सो देयर माइट बी ए प्लेयर हु विल कम एंड से कि आई नीड ए स्मॉल वार्म अप, माई बॉडी वर्क्स वेल व्हेन आई डू ए स्मॉल एंड शॉर्टर वार्म अप. एंड देयर आर सम प्लेयर्स हु माइट नीड ए 30-minute लॉन्ग वार्म अप. तो ऐसे है कोई प्लेयर्स जो MCA में है, इंडिया खेले हुए हैं. I know some players who are warming up for 30 to 40 minutes and there are some players who are warming up for 10 to 15 minutes.
Correct.
तो वो तो अलग अलग सबका होता है, but this is where that communication has to come in. So the best thing is the senior players will come and say, this is what I work with and this is what has given me results. And our goal as a coach is to meet them somewhere in the middle.
Correct. This happened last year that an IPL team approached you, but you sort of had to not take that offer and had to do something else, and you had to also leave MCA, Mumbai Cricket Association. Like what was that entire thing? Like, can you tell us?
So again, going back to it, like very fortunate. I've been working with Shashank for last couple of years, and not luckily, obviously, he has worked very hard for it and he performed really well in IPL.
Correct.
He did amazing for Punjab.
Correct.
So with his performance, क्या हुआ कि he was retained in the second season with Punjab. And when he was retained, the first thing that happened was the head of sports science from Punjab 11 had reached out.
Okay.
उनका काम क्या है कि they have to ensure their player is being properly fit है, इंजुरी नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है.
Correct.
So जिस दिन रिटेंशन हुआ, शशांक had message and said कि the head of sports science of Punjab is going to reach out to you. They want to know about my training plan. तो मैंने उन्हें बता दिया कि जो भी है गौरांग कर रहा है, तो तुम उससे बात कर लेना एक बार. तो we got on a call and it was very clear कि he wanted to know कि क्या किया है लास्ट 6 महीने में, मुझे पूरा चाहिए. So here I would like to tell to everyone, like very basic thing, but document everything that you do. When you're training someone, everything has to be documented. It is a very basic thing. तुम document ठीक से करके रखो, you can go back and see कि what has worked, what has not worked. And luckily, like I am someone who likes to document it in the right way, keep it structured. So for me to have the discussion about Shashank with the head of sports science of Punjab was much easier. So all I had to do was convert that into PDF. Excel sheet में सब कुछ था. Right from his off season.
पूरा हिस्ट्री है, बायोडेटा है पूरा. मतलब
ऑफ सीजन में क्या किया, कितना एक्सरसाइज, सब कुछ, कितने दिन महीने में, कितने दिन रनिंग हुआ है, कलर कोडेड, एवरीथिंग.
लाइक इतने दिन में कैलोरीज इतने बर्न हुए हैं और समथिंग लाइक दैट. आल्सो
कैलोरीज वी डोंट ट्रैक बिकॉज it gets very difficult, but activities that was done. So think about like an activity logger, activity tracker बोलो उसे,
कि आज इतना किया उतना.
जैसे मंडे, ट्यूसडे, वेडनेसडे, थर्सडे मैच हुआ. मंडे को बैटिंग आया नहीं, रेड बॉल मैच है. तो फिर मंडे को हमने रनिंग कर लिया. सो मैंने उधर मेंशन करते मंडे को रनिंग हो गया. ट्यूसडे भी आया नहीं बैटिंग, तो जाके एक 30 मिनट्स का स्ट्रेंथ कर लिया. क्या किया है वो भी लिखा है. सो व्हेन यू सेंड 6 months डेटा टू समवन, इट्स ईजियर फॉर देम टू सी. अच्छा ठीक है, इसने इतना किया. लास्ट 8 weeks का उन्होंने देखा कि हर महीने में लगभग 10 से 12 स्ट्रेंथ सेशन हो रहे हैं, 7 से 8 रनिंग सेशन हो रहे हैं. सो ही वॉज वेरी हैप्पी विद द वे थिंग्स वर गोइंग. ही गेव one tip which I found very useful. So when I was planning sprinting session for Shashank, one advice that he gave me was, Gaurang, your plan looks solid, but one thing I will suggest you is try to do multiple reps for shorter duration. इसका मतलब मैं समझाता हूँ. अभी हम जब स्प्रिंटिंग कर रहे थे तो हम कर रहे थे 20 मीटर, 30 मीटर, 40 मीटर के reps कुछ. It could be 4 reps, 5 reps, whatever. He suggested with very important thing, this is a guy who has worked in cricket for last 20 years. He has done work with Indian team also in early 2000s. So very senior fellow. He suggested do shorter distance but increase the number of reps. मतलब
okay.
तुम 10 मीटर भागो वो करो
हाँ,
बट
हाँ.
इसके साथ ये भी करो. रीजन क्योंकि क्रिकेट में काफी बार स्टार्ट स्टॉप बहुत है.
स्टार्ट स्टॉप बहुत होता है, करेक्ट. हाँ.
So to get that number of sprints बढ़ाने के लिए
समझा.
reduce the distance and increase the number of repetitions. So we started doing that and which helped us immensely. And I've been using that with all of my other players.
Yeah.
अभी मुझे like lot of the times काफ़ी SNC coaches reach out करते हैं to go through the plan, see if anything can be added. This is one thing that I always give them back. मेरे को किसी ने एक ये टिप दी थी, अब मैं जाके मुझे अगर कोई पूछ रहा है तो मैं जाके 10 लोग को जाके बताता हूँ. So it is that, I think that is how the industry grows.
Crazy. Yeah.
And you know the Shashank, so वो हुआ, the call went really good. They liked the work that we were doing with them.
Correct.
Unfortunately, that year, Punjab were looking for an assistant SNC.
हाँ.
And fortunately, they saw the work that I was doing with Shashank. He also had good things to say about me.
Correct. He must have put a good word about you.
Yeah. So I had an opportunity, like I was interviewed by them. I got an interview with them.
Correct.
So that interview was where it was really interesting, was asked really amazing and lot of practical questions. And that is how I ended up with the Punjab opportunity. But at the same time, I had a different offer from Mumbai.
Okay.
Which is kind of an exclusive thing, working with a family.
Okay.
So I took up that instead of IPL. IPL सबका ड्रीम होता है.
हाँ.
IPL मेरा, I remember I have written it down. I discussed this with one of my mentors in 2021. तो उनको बोला, उन्होंने पूछा तेरा गोल क्या, मैंने बोला कि 5 साल में IPL होना चाहिए, 5-6 साल में. एंड लकीली वो टाइम में हुआ, लाइक वेरी फॉर्चुनेट. इट वाज अ वेरी एम्बिशियस गोल.
करेक्ट.
लगा नहीं था होगा, बट लकीली वो मिला था. बट आई हैड टू लेट इट गो बिकॉज आई हैड समथिंग different. I wouldn't call it, but something different, which allowed me to build something in Mumbai. So I'm working on that right now because I've identified कि मुंबई में काफ़ी बड़ा gap है when it comes to sports science, when it comes to SNC coaches, and trying to fill in that gap.
And that's also good also because better perspective मिलता है for someone like you.
Yeah.
And it's been what, 1 year since that?
It's been a 1 year journey. Yeah. It's really going well.
We were talking about Shashank Singh right now. So what sort of transformation did you observe right from, like, I think it's been 4 years since you must have worked with Shashank. So पहला दिन का कैसा था transformation compared to right now? You said a few things about multiple reps, shorter distance, but other than that, what else did you sort of observe?
I remember this was couple of years ago in the month of February, March. I think जब domestic season खत्म होता है. I got a call from a dear friend, like very good colleague, Yuvraj Salvi, like everyone knows him. He said there is a cricketer and I want you to work with him. He did not say करेगा क्या, time है क्या. He said कि there is a cricketer and I want you to work with him. And that cricketer was Shashank Singh. His explanation was, Gaurang, he is going through hamstring injuries for last 2 years. He wants to improve running. He wants to improve his sprinting speed. And you have a big background from sprinting as a athlete. So I think this is going to be a good fit. That is what he told me that day. And then Shashank reached out, we spoke over call and it felt like a good fit. He was looking for the same thing. His concerns were clear. Last 2 seasons domestic miss हुआ है because of hamstring injuries recurring. और hamstring का कैसा हुआ है कि once you have it, the chances of getting injured are much higher. हाँ. It increased by 70%. So the primary goal when I started working with him was ये hamstring का ठीक कराना है. एंड द गोल उसने लगा कि मुझे बस डोमेस्टिक सीजन पूरा फिट खिला दो. ऐसे नहीं कि यार मैंने खिलाया, बट ऑब्वियसली देयर आर लॉट ऑफ पीपल, दैट वाज हिज गोल टू प्ले डोमेस्टिक सीजन विदाउट एनी इंजुरी. एंड द फिजियो हु वाज वर्किंग विथ हिम दैट टाइम वाज अनदर सीनियर, आशुतोष निमसे, who has worked with Mumbai Indians, who has worked with MCA senior team, so has a decade worth of experience already working with the elites. So he was on board for the physio. I was looking after his SNC. One thing that we identified, a big gap was sprinting ही नहीं हुआ था. Like he was doing his strength workout, he was doing his conditioning.
But there was no sprinting element.
No sprinting done. So अभी conditioning और sprinting में फ़र्क ये है कि when you are doing conditioning workouts, you're running at a much slower speed. And sprinting is done at much faster speed. And most injuries happen at faster speed. How do you prevent it? You need to have enough exposure of sprinting every week.
Every week. Okay.
Every week. And this is where most people get it wrong in training. Off season में कुछ sprinting नहीं कराते हैं, बस long running कराओ, और जैसे ही season आया स्प्रिंटिंग चालू करो, रनिंग बिटवीन द विकेट्स क्विकली, एंड फिर हैमस्ट्रिंग टेयर हो जाता है. सो रेगुलर एक्सपोजर ऑफ स्प्रिंटिंग इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो दैट इज द बिग गैप दैट वी आइडेंटिफाइड. आई रिमेंबर वी स्टार्टेड ट्रेनिंग इन मार्च एंड वी स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम शॉर्ट एक्सेलरेशन, शॉर्ट स्प्रिंटिंग राइट फ्रॉम वीक 1. हमने कंडीशनिंग भी की, हमने लॉन्ग रन्स भी किए, बट वी ऑल्सो स्टार्टेड विद शॉर्ट स्प्रिंट्स फ्रॉम week 1 itself because the goal was clear, hamstring injury prevent करना है. हाँ. And ऐसा नहीं कि बस एकदम glove की तरह fit हुआ and it worked well. नहीं, we had setbacks, we had lots of setbacks.
Yeah. People still had tore their hamstrings even after.
So I remember जैसे because he hadn't done enough sprinting for years, so I remember when we were, it was 6 to 8 weeks working on a plan. And we were, I think it was the month of May, जब बारिश नहीं होती. So we used to train at Hindu Gymkhana. And then that one day, I remember बारिश हुई काफ़ी ज़ोर से. So we couldn't train on a grass field, right? So we moved to a synthetic track, Wings, Bandra. अब हुआ क्या कि हम तब तक उसका स्प्रिंटिंग स्पीड बिल्टअप कर रहे थे. समझो week 1 70%, week 2 80%, week 3 90%. So we were building it up slowly. So that change of surface था पहले mud track, the grass field cricket का, and then we moved to a synthetic surface. What happens on a synthetic surface is at the same effort you will run faster.
Okay.
Because वो hard है surface, तो the return energy that you get will be much more.
हाँ.
सो हमारा जो भी प्रिस्क्राइब जो परसेंटेज था स्पीड का, उससे थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा एफर्ट्स हो गया. द फील दैट यू गेट ऑन सिंथेटिक ट्रैक इज बेटर, इट इज फास्टर, द रिटर्न ऑफ एनर्जी इज गुड. सो द टाइमिंग्स वर बेटर एंड एंडेड अप हैविंग ए स्मॉल स्ट्रेन.
ओके.
एंड तभी तो ये रियलाइज हुआ नहीं, बट आई रिमेंबर डिस्कसिंग दिस विद आशुतोष निमसे. ही सजेस्टेड, obviously he has decade of experience.
Yeah.
Maybe a change in surface might have caused this.
Because also the hard surface can impact the knee as well.
It can.
That is one thing. But
so the impacts, जो भी impacts related होता है with higher volume, it may or it may not. But when you are doing it for a longer duration on harder surface, तब आएगा knees पे pressure.
बराबर है. हाँ.
So that was a very interesting thing which I also learned while working. You can't read this stuff in a book.
Correct.
This is something which you do, go out there, make mistakes and learn.
Yeah.
Unfortunately after that, touch wood, he has never had an hamstring strain. Luckily fortunately it is going really well for him. So I hope this continues.
Fingers will be crossed.
Fingers crossed. Always.
बट एलिट लेवल एथलीट्स वही होते हैं ना, मतलब यू हैव वर्कड विद एलिट लेवल एथलीट्स. सो बिगेस्ट चैलेंज क्या होता है? इज इट फिजिकल या मेंटल?
Working with elite athletes, I keep telling everyone this one thing, and like, you know, I'll touch back on one of the interview questions which I was asked during IPL. So they had asked me, why will an international player listen to you to do a certain exercise? Or why will they listen to you to do your training plan? Like, how would you make them do it? Like, which is a very important question. And this I had learned on my previous experience from Pro Kabaddi League. Like, you can't, just because you have learned something, just because you have a philosophy of training someone, you can't go and inculcate that कि यही करना है तुम्हें. So when you're talking about an international player, when you're talking about an elite player, they have a training history of 15 years. 15 साल के थे तब से खेल रहे हैं, 30 साल हुआ है, 32, 33. Most of the cricketers are at that age, right? In IPL तुम जाओगे.
Correct.
So which was a very legit question I felt. So like, why will they listen to you? So I told, I will not go and force my training philosophy onto them. I will go and ask them, कि what is the type of training that you do? What has worked for you? वो लोग elite level पे है, वो लोग training करने वाले हैं. They are not going to be like कि नहीं यार, we don't do it. नहीं यार, for them it is like living, it is a professional job for them. So they are going to go and do that training. You have to go and ask the question, ask the right questions.
That is main.
What works for you, tell me, I will help you in that. Don't go in on day one and tell them कि मैंने ये सीखा है, मैं ये पढ़ा, मैं ये कराऊंगा तुम्हें. Then no one is going to listen to you. So you first go and ask them what has worked for you, tell me. And maybe after a couple of days you can just suggest something. You know, you're doing this, which is great. But what do you think we could try this one thing and let me know how you feel. Then you take the call. One thing that I've noticed at elite level, people with big training experience, like 10-15 saal ka, they know what works for them and what doesn't.
Interesting, yeah.
At someone who has played 200 international matches, you can't go and tell them to आज जो कर रहे हैं अभी अब तक जो किया है वो सब भूल जाओ, अभी से कुछ अलग
हाँ, that would like just completely change.
Exactly. So something has worked for them, so you have to respect that and try to meet somewhere in the middle.
Got it. That would be the end of second segment. Strength and conditioning आज के modern day cricket के ज़माने में how important it is in your view?
I think with the number of matches increasing, players are playing more and more matches every year.
Busier schedule.
Recovery ज़्यादा करना पड़ता है.
हाँ.
For you to recover quickly, one very important thing is missed. Having a big aerobic capacity.
What do you mean by मतलब समझा नहीं.
Aerobic capacity मतलब body का ability to endure.
Okay.
क्रिकेट एक ऐसा स्पोर्ट है,
Physically
होता है
draining है.
इंटरमिटेंट, लाइक बाउट्स ऑफ एक्टिविटीज 5 सेकंड का, बट यू हैव टू बी देयर फॉर
For
आवर्स.
hours. हाँ.
नाउ इमेजिन समवन प्लेइंग लोकल मैचेस इन मुंबई. आई नो लॉट ऑफ माई फ्रेंड्स हु आर प्लेइंग, हफ्ते में 5 मैच तो खेल रहे हैं, भले वो T20 हो, भले वो 4 ही ओवर डाल रहे, बट यू टू प्ले टुडे,
पूरा टाइम रहना है फील्ड पे.
गेट अप अगेन टुमारो एंड प्ले.
Same
the next day. So what will help you? I mean, speed, strength, power sounds great, sounds fancy, but aerobic capacity is something which will help you to sustain the season, and which gets missed आजकल क्योंकि speed and power has become a fancy thing.
it is.
Like it is for those, सब लोग, everyone wants to go and train speed, everyone wants to be a speed expert, but तुम्हारा base जो है ना, aerobic capacity. So I remember very clearly, I don't know if I'm allowed to take the name, I'll take it, it's your call. So I remember having conversation with Prasad Pawar, who plays for Mumbai.
Correct.
He, like, we were college friends in Poddar.
Yeah.
So I remember he telling me one day, so his yo-yo scores are really good. Like he is in the top 1% when it comes to MCM. And he has worked really hard in last couple of years, and जो yo-yo score बड़ा है ना, so I asked him, do you think this high yo-yo score, high aerobic capacity directly helps your game? He said, no, it doesn't, but it helps me recover. He's saying when I play five matches back to back, I don't feel tired. I see other people with low scores complaining that they are getting tired, they are getting sore, they are getting fatigued. But I'm able to recover faster. So this was that anecdotal evidence जो बोलते हैं ना, किधर लिखा हुआ नहीं रहेगा, but player के experience से
reference example.
Someone from an elite player, you hear that and then you try to apply it through your training. So and which I think is great. I think this similar mistake I've made in other sport also. Like for example, I was working with sprinters for a very long time. Because sprinters say, so we used to focus on sprints only. Lot of short sprints, speed training. But what happened was they were not able to recover between training days also. क्योंकि एरोबिक कैपेसिटी पे काम ही नहीं किया था. सो एरोबिक कैपेसिटी तुम्हें मे बी ज़रूरत नहीं है भागने की एक घंटा, बट दैट हेल्प्स यू. लाइक दैट मे नॉट बी ए मैच विनिंग फैक्टर, बट दैट विल बी ए फैक्टर विच विल हेल्प यू टू बी फ्रेश थ्रू आउट द सीजन, इंजुरी फ्री.
Correct.
And if you are fresh, chances of getting injured are low. If you are tired, if you go in and bowl in a fatigue state,
performance will
be low, chances of getting injured will be high.
Correct.
So nothing but benefits to improve by improving your aerobic capacity.
So yo-yo tests are good and they should
yo-yo tests are happening. Good. They should be keeping it. It's a good way to be competitive with your athletes also. And it's a basic human psychology. Everyone wants to be better than the next person.
Yeah. In your entire experience, who has the best yo-yo score?
I've seen some of the players from Mumbai hit above 20.
Okay, 20 is a good.
20 good is anything above 17 is good in cricket.
17. Okay.
I think fast bowlers should definitely have 17. I would say, like, I think MCA and NC has a passing of 16.5, but I would say fast bowlers should aim at upwards of 17. If you are 18 and around, then your focus should shift to speed, power, strength.
Correct.
If you are 17, I would still want you to go towards the higher range of 17. I mean, I'm again telling you, it is not going to be a deciding factor in your performance, but it will help you to recover बोलो, and it will make you available to practice. अगर तुम fresh हो तो तुम practice ज़्यादा कर पाओगे.
Correct.
अगर तुम थक रहे हो तो तुम bowling भी नहीं डाल पाओगे उतना. अगर bowling नहीं डालोगे तो performance नहीं आएगा.
Correct. Such a best example is Virat Kohli, who has the obviously he has a very good score. He used to keep posting it on the stories and all. अभी तो लोग कुछ बोलते हैं कि अरे लंदन जाता है, वो ये करके आता है, फिर इंडिया में ज़्यादा देर रहता ही नहीं है. बट व्हेन ही कम्स बैक एंड स्टार्ट्स ट्रेनिंग फ्रॉम डे वन, यू कैन सी दैट देयर इज जीरो लेवल ऑफ, वो बोलते हैं ना लैग होता है या फिर ऐसा मतलब रहता है लेजीनेस और समथिंग लाइक दैट. ही इज लाइक चार्ज फ्रॉम डे वन. सो दैट हेल्प्स.
I definitely think the break from some of the formats that he has taken has helped him a lot. Because when you're playing 3 formats plus IPL, you don't get time to train. Off season है ही नहीं. You're on the road for 12 months. You're just managing your fitness, maintaining it somehow. With the break that he has had, I'm sure he's putting in the hours. To keep himself in peak shape, and we can see the result. He has been at it. It feels like 2016 वाला विराट कोहली.
Exactly. Yeah. Because अभी वो दिखता है कि वो एक हंगर लग रहा है उसके इसमें. Because Test cricket से last year he left, and since then he is only playing ODIs. So now when he comes to play, he wants to perform. It's not like कि हर time we'll see Kohli in every format. So वो एक थोड़ा उसके not just Kohli but for any other player, if they're okay with all the 3 formats, that's a different thing. But yeah, good to see this version of Virat, and let's see.
Absolutely. And I think this is one thing which a lot of people miss out on. Like year long cricket चलता है, year long matches खेलते हैं, but training के लिए I think you need to have some space where you need to really focus, dial down, and करना चाहिए ठीक से.
Correct. We are talking about different formats: T20s, Tests, ODIs. What are the various challenges that come up with a particular SNC for you as an SNC coach? So what are the various challenges when it comes to different formats?
So let's talk about warm-up. A warm-up for a T20 is going to be much different than a warm-up for a test match. अब टेस्ट मैच में So what I used to do, what I've done with the teams that I've worked with. So day one warm up, we do it as a team.
Okay.
I will conduct the warm up. Everyone will do it together as a whole happy unit. But day two, I give the freedom to players. क्योंकि डे टू कैसे होगा, या तो बैटिंग होगी हमारी,
हाँ हाँ.
या तो बॉलिंग, जो भी वॉट एवर द प्लान इज. सो द वार्म अप टाइम, द टीम वार्म अप टाइम इज reduced. एंड दैट फ्रीडम हमें देना पड़ता है फिर प्लेयर्स को. मे बी डे वन पे किसी प्लेयर ने ज़्यादा खेल लिया, ही इज़ अ बिट मोर टायर्ड, ही माइट नीड टू स्पेंड मोर टाइम डूइंग फोम रोलिंग, ही माइट हैव टू डू बिट मोर ऑफ मोबिलिटी वर्क टू ओपन अप his stiff hip. So you need to be a bit more flexible. You can't be rigid.
Correct.
So you need to take those calls on day based on how the player in front of you is feeling and change. You can't. So the thing is, you can never go with a plan. पेन पेपर पे बना दिया प्लान, ये जाके नहीं ना, सामने क्या है, यू हैव 11 प्लेयर्स इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू, उसके हिसाब से देखो क्या चल रहा है, व्हाट डू यू हैव नेक्स्ट, बैटिंग बॉलिंग, बेस्ड अपॉन दैट प्लान योर थिंग. That is one thing. And when it comes to T20, the energy has to be high right from the ball one. So your warm up has to match the intensity. You need to do short sprints, you need to do lot of agility work, you need to play games which are intense so that they are match ready, they are mentally also ready and not just physically. And lot of the time you can't have a very dull environment where it's just going, ये 5 मोबिलिटी एक्सरसाइज कर ली, ये 5 स्ट्रेचिंग कर लिए, 5 नहीं, कुछ तो करो टू ब्रिंग दैट एनर्जी आउट.
Yeah, correct.
Because like you don't get lot of time in T20, right? So you need to be very creative. I think the best, and especially in team sports, I would say, once the season begins, SNC का काम moreover is during warm up, right? In season you hardly get time to train people. Back to back matches से the goal shifts from training to recovery. So
correct.
I would suggest all the SNCs to really focus on being creative with the warm
ups.
How can you be more creative? How can you make it more engaging? How can you add microdose of strength? How can you add microdose of sprinting? How can you add microdose of power? अब 5 दिन का मैच है, small stimulus day 1, small stimulus day 2, it adds up, right, in the end.
Correct.
So be very creative and very thoughtful of your warm up. It has to, it has to be directed towards some end goal. आज का दिन एक हुआ, and then there has to be short term goal which is today's match, a long term goal which is your month's goal. So उसके लिए direct करो. So keep moving forward like that always.
Interesting. What are some myths that you think कि हाँ SNC coach, being an SNC coach, हाँ ये ऐसा ही होता है. So if a player particular player has some issues, तो वो एक myth तो रहता ही है कि नहीं इसके वजह से नहीं, there's a other issue that happens which is why you have a particular hamstring or a side strain or whatever. So वो myth क्या है exactly? Basically, what are some of those myths that players come up to you?
I don't know if we can call this a myth, but lot of the people are worried to lift weights, especially in season. कि कोई लोग को लगता है कि जिम करेंगे तो मे बी खेल नहीं पाएंगे अगले, which is a fair thing.
Correct.
Again, go back to that thing. Identify who the person is in front of you. So from my experience working with younger cricketers as well as senior cricketers, younger cricketers को ना, for example, let's say an under 16 kid who's playing for Bombay, he might be someone who has just started lifting weights. For them to do a gym session in season, अगर उसका कल match है तो may not be the right thing, because he is not used to that much of lifting.
True.
Or someone who is that young, someone who is that new to lifting weights might have residual soreness the next day. इन सीजन गोल क्या होता है, मैचेस के लिए गो एज फ्रेश एज पॉसिबल. इफ यू गो इन टायर्ड देन यूर फीलिंग एज एन एसएनसी कोच. बट यही अगर कंपेयर करें समवन विद गुड एक्सपीरियंस, समवन हु हैज़ बीन इन द सिस्टम फॉर ए लॉन्ग टाइम, रेगुलरली स्ट्रेंथ ट्रेनिंग कर रहे हैं, दे आर यूज्ड टू इट, सो दे कैन हैंडल इट. सो ये जो है ना मिथ कि जिम करके कल स्टिफ होऊंगा, जिम करके कल सोरनेस आएगा, इट वेरीज इंडिविजुअल टू इंडिविजुअल. if you're someone who is used to doing this, you can do it. If you're someone, basically, some people just don't like to do anything one day prior.
Okay. हाँ.
तो वो भी है. Like, and the end goal is the athlete in front of you, the player in front of you should perform well.
And should go in fresh and should go with full 100% capacity.
Like, काफ़ी एसएनसी कोचेस को लगता है कि कीपिंग द ट्रैक ऑफ सेशंस, मैंने महीने में, एक महीने में, इन सीजन में भी 8 स्ट्रेंथ सेशंस करा है. लाइक इट इज़ नॉट समथिंग टू बोस्ट ऑफ. लाइक
हाँ हाँ,
मतलब ऐसे लगता है कि हम हमारा काम ज़बरदस्ती करा रहे हैं. लाइक इज देयर ए नीड? ऑब्वियसली देयर इज ए नीड टू डू सेशंस, बट कंटेक्स्ट देखो, मैचेस देखो कितने हैं, एंड बेस्ड ऑन दैट डिसाइड व्हाट इज रिक्वायर्ड फॉर द प्लेयर. मतलब तुम तुम्हारा ईगो फीड करने के लिए मत करो कि यार मुझे हफ्ते में 2 सेशन कराने हैं तो मैं कराऊंगा ही बाय हुक और क्रुक. बट व्हाट इफ दे हैव डन फील्डिंग फॉर 3 days?
हाँ, so you have to sort of
फिर तो क्या करोगे? हाँ, मतलब तुम पनिशमेंट नहीं मुझे मेरा तो 2 सेशन है, मुझे कराना पड़ेगा.
That's just like being a robot. वो तो रोबोट भी वही बोलेगा जो है.
मतलब तुम बस तुम्हारा कोटा पूरा कराने के लिए करा रहे हो. मेरे 2 सेशन है, रनिंग के कंडीशनिंग है, वो मैं करा.
Correct. And you're not doing justice.
लुक एट द सिचुएशन इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू, अंडरस्टैंड द कंटेक्स्ट कि ठीक है चलो 3 days फील्डिंग किया ठीक है, बट डू वी हैव ए लॉन्गर ब्रेक आफ्टर दिस? अगर एक मैच है, लाइक इज दिस मैच अगेंस्ट ए वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टीम हु इज लाइक इक्वली गुड एज मुंबई, और इज इट a match where we can, you know, go a bit tired? Like Mumbai is one of the best cricketing teams, so there are matches where you can go, where you can take certain risks, where you can push थोड़ा बहुत. You need to take those calls.
थोड़ा mindset के ऊपर आते हैं, because I wanted to know the domestic players, what is their mindset when it comes to fitness?
I think MCA has done a really good job now. They have gotten technology, they are doing lots of
Also awareness
तो किया ही है. MCA keeps doing lot of, you know, nutritional orientation करते हैं, psychology orientation करते हैं, they bring in the experts who talk to the players, who talk to the coaches, so everyone is aware about everything now.
Yeah.
Which is great, but also the platform which is provided by MCA, the thing is they start very early in June. I don't think any other state starts this early. Mid June में चालू कर देते हैं ऑफ सीजन. So this gives a big edge for the Mumbai domestic players. I think this is very important. One very important thing, I think I would like to credit this to Vishal Chitrakar, who was MCA senior team's SNC coach for last 3-4 years. So what he had done, what he used to do is he did it till his last year. जो भी MCA में टेस्टिंग होता है, as soon as they join the squad, सबका असेसमेंट्स होता है जून में. So he used to create rankings and post it in the gym. Yo-yo scores, sprint speed, broad jumps. So it was out there on display, right? So when the younger kids used to go through the gym, and then they used to see, oh, this player is at this level, this player is at this score. So it in a way motivates them
to beat it or to do as good.
They see, okay, this is what is required at the senior level, this is the level जो senior levels है, तो हमें वो level पे पहुंचना है. It is a very small thing. I don't know अगर मैंने विशाल को कभी बताया रहेगा, but I think I'm just trying to think from an player's perspective.
Correct.
अगर मैं देख रहा हूँ कि यार मेरा senior player यूओ का स्कोर ऐसा कर रहा है, उसका क्या है, आई वुड लाइक टू बी देयर, बिकॉज आई वांट टू बी इन दैट पोजीशन वेयर आई एम रिप्रेजेंटिंग मुंबई फॉर सीनियर टीम, राइट? सो आई वुड लाइक टू मैच द फिटनेस स्कोर्स आल्सो. So I think that was a very good thing which he had started in MCA, and I'm sure many players must have looked up and got an
inspiration from that.
Absolutely.
You yourself come from a sprinting background. How has that helped you along your SNC journey?
Massively. I would say, like 100% it has helped me a lot, because 2 things, like I was discussing this one of the players that I train. So what works well when you have played a sport at a high level is you understand what the athlete is going through. You understand the mindset behind the human performance. You understand the mindset behind high performance. Like what does it take? One thing is reading about the best of the training methodology. Second thing is doing it yourself. Like when you're coaching someone, एक कुछ plan बनता है. We make them do a certain program, and if you're someone who has done something similar, you know what it feels like when you have trained 4 days in a row. 5th day उठ के कैसे लग रहा है, you know what it feels like. So you're able to relate to the player much more. So in terms of that, it has really helped. And especially coming from a sprinting background, the best thing is, so I was in athletics. Athletics क्या है? Running fast, sprinting, long distance running, endurance, jumping, which is like power and throws.
Okay.
दूसरे स्पोर्ट में क्या होता है? यही सब है ना, throwing है,
हाँ,
jumping है,
हाँ,
running है.
रनिंग है.
So this is like athletics is like a base for all the sports. So honestly, I felt this was like a big advantage for me when I started this SNC career, because I was aware what works well for increasing speed. I was aware what works well if I want to improve someone's jumping. I was aware what worked well अगर किसको endurance बढ़ाना है. So I had the practical experience, and when I started learning about it, I could relate it. अच्छा, हम जब ये करते थे बचपन में ट्रेनिंग के लिए, तो इसका रीजन ये था.
है, हाँ.
And when you have, I honestly feel when you have the best combination of your theoretical and practical, no one can beat you. I think that is the best combination to have.
Crazy. I have one question which just popped in my head कि we see cricketers so many times they're just chilling after the match, they're chilling on a swimming pool or something like that, and a lot of people have termed it as a recovery. It's a recovery thing. How does that help them recover? Like क्या है exactly वो science क्या है?
So let's stick to pool recovery. ठीक है? I
Yeah,
think
yeah.
lot of the teams when they are traveling they have access to pool. Pool तो करते ही हैं.
Yeah.
So what is the concept behind the pool? When you are in pool, the blood usually flows from high pressure to low pressure. So when you're into the water, waist height, so the blood will flow from high pressure to low pressure. So it helps you to flush out the fatigue, flush out the toxins.
Okay,
And
so
that is
basically
how
blood circulation हो रहा है पूरे जगह पे.
Exactly. And you pick anything in any concept, it moves from high pressure to low pressure. Right? जब तुम pool में जाते हो, अंदर वाला part it is high pressure. Right? That is why you can't go deeper. It तकलीफ होता है ना?
तकलीफ होता है, बराबर है. हाँ.
So it's the same concept. It is a very simple science thing, but that's the same concept, and that is what it helps to recover.
Correct.
You know, even small things like elevating your feet up on the wall and just lying down for 30 minutes. That also helps.
Getting blood to come down.
Exactly, because you're standing on a field for 6-7 hours. Your body is fatigued. What do you do?
Correct.
I remember when I was traveling with the team, I had created a recovery protocol. Point based system दिया था. If you take a nap during the day, 90 minutes, you get 5 points. If you go to the physio and do mobility session in front of him, you get 5 points. If you are sleeping 7+ hours, then you are getting 15 points. Your sleep is the best
recovery.
Best recovery. If after the match, if you are doing ice bath, you get a certain number of points. Just simple. कुछ चीज़ें थे जो तुम ग्राउंड पे कर सकते थे, उसके लिए लिस्ट बनाई थी. कुछ चीज़ें थे जो तुम रूम पे कर सकते थे. जैसे पैर वॉल के ऊपर रख दिया और सो गए. Doing this for 20-30 minutes will help you. Like small, see there is not one particular thing. एक फिक्स्ड चीज़ नहीं है कि जो हेल्प करेगी.
Correct. But if you do everything or at least try to follow,
will contribute to 1 or 2%.
Yeah.
सब कुछ धीरे accumulate होके it will help you in the long run.
I guess the next aim is to sort of give them a medal. जैसे वो बीच में वो हुआ था ना, अभी भी करते हैं इंडियन क्रिकेट टीम में, they give the medal to the best fielder. I'm pretty sure you may just start that revolution. We
were thinking of something like that, but we couldn't implement that. But yeah, I think as I mentioned, you need to be very creative how to involve everyone to do stuff.
Yeah.
सबको पता है कि रिकवरी इंपॉर्टेंट है, सबको पता है कि रिकवरी में करना क्या है, बट हाउ डू यू गेट टू डू देम? दैट इज वेयर द रियल कोचिंग कम्स इन. Maybe create some gamification, create some scoring chart, some reward. Reward किसको नहीं पसंद है? सबको पसंद है.
So they would work for double the
exactly
मेहनत. Lot of young cricketers are watching this podcast, and not just cricketers, they could be just athletes in that level, आप उनको क्या advice दोगे?
I think younger players, let's say who are 14, 16, I would say from training perspective, be patient with whoever you are working with. ऐसा नहीं है कि you need to go and work with, अच्छा ये बंदा एक IPL वाले क्या ट्रेन कर रहा है, अरे नहीं, like stick to your SNC coach and trust in their training methodology. It takes time to show results. तो मैं जैसे क्रिकेट में रिजल्ट आने को टाइम लगेगा, लाइक SNC ट्रेनिंग में भी टाइम लगता है. सो आई थिंक बीइंग पेशेंट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. एंड अनदर थिंग आई वुड रियली सजेस्ट इज, कभी कभी आई फील यंगर एज ग्रुप्स में इफ़ यू आर हाईली स्किल्ड यू कैन कंपनसेट फॉर पुअर फिजिकल फिटनेस, क्योंकि तभी किसी सबका ग्रोथ हुआ नहीं होता है. So someone who is very skillful can just play well, whatever. The gap is easily noticeable when they move to higher age groups like 19. Now the players are bowling much faster. Players are bigger. When you look at the people from north, they're bigger, stronger.
Yeah.
They're genetically like that. So I'm just going to say that you need to ensure that you've been training since you're 14, 15 and you're building up to it. Like there might be many occasions, I'm assuming, who are great in under 14, 16 and then struggle to make it because kahin na kahin training was lagging. I mean, it would be really bad to know like training की वजह से कोई पहुंच नहीं पा रहा, because this is a very simple thing to do. 2 strength sessions करो, keep it very simple, whatever, do strength sessions twice a week and 2 times running. एक दिन जाके sprinting कर लो, even if you just do 50 meter into 8 reps sprints, even that is more than sufficient. And एक दिन जाके endurance कर लो. That's it. It doesn't have to be any rocket science. बस तुमने ये भी कर लिया, 2 strength session, 2 conditioning for good 2, 3, 4 years. You will see the results compounding.
Thank you so much. Like last question, my last question to you would be, what's next for Gaurang Ambre? Like what are you looking forward to next in the coming 5 years or something like that? We can just...
So currently my focus is to work on the project that I'm building in Mumbai. So
is it a secret project or you can just share it out to the public?
Currently it is work behind the scenes, honestly.
Okay.
We'll be launching soon, but yeah, everyone will be aware what it is. And let's see, long term, cricket still has my heart, so would like to
stick to it.
Would like to make a comeback into cricket because there are certain things I would still like to do.
Correct.
So maybe one day we'll again be talking from a cricket team sport lens again. Hopefully we'll be
doing a part 2 of this and we'll have more things to discuss. But thank you so much for coming here.
Thank you.
Cricket Graph wishes you all the best for your upcoming endeavors.
Thank you Jay. Thank you Cricket Graph.